We start crocheting the head. We continue crocheting. 24 single crochets. In the second row, we crochet 4 single crochets and 1 increase. This should be repeated 6 times. In total, we should have 30 single crochets in the second row. We finish the row, and we have 30 single crochet stitches. We start crocheting the third row. 5 single crochet stitches, 1 increase. And so, 6 repetitions. In total, we should have 36 single crochet stitches. We finish the row, and we start crocheting the fourth row. We should have 6 single crochet stitches. Crochet stitches, 1 increase. 6 repetitions. And it should result in 42 single crochet stitches. We have knitted to the end of the row, now we start knitting the fifth row. In the fifth row, we make 7 single crochets. Yarn over, 1 increase. There should be 6 repetitions. A total of 48 single crochets. We have finished the fifth row. Now we start the sixth row. In the sixth row, we knit 8 single crochets. Yarn over, 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times. There should be 54 single crochets. We have knitted to the end of the row, we should have a total of 54 single crochets. Now we start the seventh row. In the seventh row, we crochet 9 single crochets and make 1 increase. With single crochets and 1 increase, there should be a total of 6 repetitions resulting in 60 single crochets. We completed the last round, resulting in 60 single crochets. We checked the 8th row, which had 10 stitches.
With single crochets and 1 increase, a total of 6 repetitions should yield 66 single crochets.
We have completed the previous row and are starting row 9. In this row, we skip 11 single crochet stitches. 1 increase followed by 6 repetitions will give us a total of 72 single crochet stitches. Next, from rows 10 to 17, which is a total of 8 rows, we will knit 72 single crochet stitches. We will meet at row 18. We begin knitting row 18. After completing 17 rows, we start to shape our project. We begin knitting the head with 10 single crochet stitches followed by 1 decrease, resulting in a total of 66 stitches. 6 single crochet stitches as we did with increases. Now we start to do decreases. Decrease. And so we crochet 5 more repetitions. We crocheted to the end of the row, now we start to crochet row 19, which consists of 9 single crochets. Without yarn over and 1 decrease, the total should be 60 single crochet stitches. We have completed 1 repetition, and we need to do 5 more of these. We finished the row, now we start knitting row 20, which has 8 stitches. This is for single crochet decreases. After 6 repetitions, you should have 54 single crochets. We finished the row, now we start knitting row 21, which has 7 stitches. Without yarn over, 1 decrease should give you 48 single crochets. You completed the first repetition, you need to complete 5 more. You knit it to the end of the row, we start knitting row 22, which consists of 6 single crochets. You will have single crochets, 1 decrease, and a total of 6 repetitions, resulting in 42 single crochets. Complete the remaining 5 repetitions to the end of the row on your own. We start knitting row 23, which consists of 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. In total, we have 23 rows, which makes 36 single crochet stitches. In this row, we can already start stuffing the toy with filling. And start stuffing the head, we have completed another 5 repetitions. We begin crocheting row 24, which consists of 4 single crochet stitches and 1 decrease, repeated 6 times. In total, there should be 30 single crochet stitches. We will knit 5 more repetitions and finish this row. So I begin to insert the eyes. I will place them a bit higher because we will also knit the face more. So I inserted the eyes, decided to change the color a bit, and make them smaller. We start knitting a little smaller with row 25, which consists of 3 single crochet stitches. Make a decrease 6 times, there should be a total of 24 single crochet stitches. We have finished row 25. Now we start row 26, which consists of 2 single crochet stitches. Make decreases until you reach a total of 18 single crochet stitches. Then we repeat this 5 more times, knitting the row to the end. We knit it to the end of the row, resulting in 18 single crochets in 27 rows, 1 single crochet without yarn over, 1 decrease, a total of 12, with 6 decreases, and we close our knitting. This is how we should finish our the head. Before we knit the last row, we finally complete our toy filler to the density you need. Here we have finished our head. Like this, it turned out like this for us.